Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about peace establishment in West Asia. Let's start. Our today's question is: there have been many attempts to bring about peace in the West Asia region, but even the most successful ones have only halted conflicts temporarily. We have to comment on it. First of all, what is the question's demand? We have to discuss about many attempts previously done for the peace establishment in West Asia region, why they are only temporarily halt the conflicts, and our comment on it. We can say also India's point of view in that. Then what is the significance of that particular question? That may be asked in GS paper 2 under effects of policy and politics of countries of on India's interest, then international relations. Let's start our introduction. You can draw this map. Then West Asia, Middle East hold a significant position in the world, but it is the most political unstable and hostile region. Almost 21 countries located in this area. As per SIPRI report, most of these nations ranked high in military spending. In the past, there are several plans was proposed to maintain peace in this region, but they only have able to establish peace for temporary periods. What are the previous proposed plans to maintain the peace in this region? Oslo Accord. It was signed between Israel and Palestine in Norway to promote peace and harmony in this region. Then West Asia Peace Plan. Former President Donald Trump had proposed this plan, which will recognize Israel's settlements to on the occupied West Bank and prohibit new settlements of Palestine. Then Abraham Accord. It was signed between Israel, UAE, Oman to restore peace. Then Doha meeting by Saudi Arabia to resolve issues with Egypt, Turkey, Bahrain and Israel. Then Iran and Saudi Arabia peace process in Baghdad. These are some previous measures taken by them. Then reason behind the failure of these maintenance. Main regional power conflict between various nations like Israel, Palestine, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Yemen, Syria and so many others. Former President Donald Trump pull out from the Iran nuclear deal. Then intervention by the global powers like US and it was lead NATO. Then religious conflict between Shia and Sunni. Then Kurdish people demand for Kurdistan. Then military conflict between Arab Spring military of Syria and Yemen start conflict and it was still continued. Then impacts of all these kind of problems. Millions of deaths of citizens including children and women, huge number of human rights violations, then increased terrorist activities, then increased fear in mind of citizens, then lack of basic facilities. India can play a role to bring peace up to some extent through promoting confidence building measures with like-minded countries like USA, France, Japan, South Korea to establish peace and harmony in this region. Then we can also play role of mediator between US and Iran. Then border dispute should be resolved with the help of international forums and world superpowers. Then human rights violations should be handled. Then India can act as bridge to promote mutual cooperation and coordination between power rivals Saudi Arabia and Iran, Israel and Palestine without interfering into domestic politics. Then our conclusion would be to conclude we can say to resolve these long-term issues, all the stakeholders and external powers need to come together and look forward for the future possibilities and share prosperity in this region. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.